The Giada AI PC N601 is one of the latest products in the market. It is built for performing high level of AI operations and processing intensive tasks. Here are some of its standout features. 1. Intel Meteor Lake Ultra processors. Utilizing Intel's artificial intelligence-capable Meteor Lake Ultra 5 processors. It also uses Ultra 7 processors, with up to 34 TOPS. 2. AI Boost NPU. It has a 1-liter petrol engine that comes equipped with technology designed to help the driver. 4 GHz artificial intelligence boosting neural processing unit for AI and ML operations efficiency boost. 3. 8 Kelvin resolution support. It can do 8 Kelvin at 60 Hz over Thunderbolt 4 or DisplayPort 1. 4. Exploiting Intel Arc graphics to bring superior image quality. 4. Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7 brings Thunderbolt 4 for transferring data at incredible speed. Wi-Fi 7 offers better network performance and low latency. 5. Storage flexibility. Supports M2 slot which supports PCIe 5. No NVMe SSDs with reading, writing up to 10 GB per second, plus one more M2 slot for PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs with 5 GB speed. 6. Compact design. It is impressive in terms of power. Additionally, it comes with a very compact design perfect for use in any environment. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Giada AI PC. Pros. Enhanced performance. The hardware that has been fitted in the device provides robust AI performance. It is especially effective on tasks that need a lot of AI entry. Versatility. Has huge potential on several paradigms of artificial intelligence. Customizability. It will help to organize the setup as per some specific purposes. Energy efficiency. Decreases energy demands to that of conventional PCs. Cons. Cost. Technology-adapted PCs often can be more costly due to the hardware and the software components. Complexity. It can nevertheless be a challenge for users who are not so conversant with computers. This is especially true during the setup and configuration of an artificial intelligence PC. Software compatibility. It means that all the software used not be compatible with both AI material and software. Overall, the Giada AI PC is a valuable device to work with AI. A person or organization must be willing to take advantage of it. But there is need to take the price into account. Size and other needful features must also be considered before making the acquisition. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.